Hello and welcome to Grace Tutorial. Friends, once there was a man called Andrew Carnegie who came to America from Scotland as a young boy. He started out by doing some of the odd jobs and ended up as one of the largest steel manufacturers in the United States of America. At a time, he had 43 millionaires to work with him. You know, friends, $1 million is a lot of money today, but in 1920, it was worth much more. Someone asked Mr. Carnegie that how he dealt with people. Then Carnegie replied, "It's very simple. Dealing with people is like digging for gold. That when you go digging for gold, you will have to remove an ounce of dirt before it. But when you go digging for gold, you don't go looking for dirt. Where you go looking for the gold." Friends, if you think of it very carefully, Andrew Carnegie's reply has a very clear and important message to understand. Sometimes we must look for the positive instead of looking for the negative in a person or in a situation. Why don't we look for the positive in the place of the negative? Why don't we always search for the positive in a person or in a situation? So we must know this from this video, that you should always stay focused. You should always look for the positive instead of looking for the negative in your life. So we must dig deep to look for the positive. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.